So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So Bitcoin is seeing a huge indicator that we could see possible pumps in the very near future. So very soon we could see some possible pumps. So we'll be talking about what that indicator is and what we can see the price targets of Bitcoin in the upcoming times and what we can predict the price to be very soon. So let's get right into the video and let's talk about Bitcoin and its price targets. So we are currently on tradingview.com and I have pulled up the chart of Bitcoin USD and we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. So as we can see in the hourly time frame, we are currently forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. So if you are a trader, you most likely know what a symmetrical triangle is, but if you are not, let's explain that real quick. So we have also explained this on the channel before, but we'll just go over it quickly again. So a symmetrical triangle is basically a triangle forming and the price goes up and down, and it gets smaller. The value keeps decreasing as we go on. And as we get closer and closer to the end of this triangle, we should see a breakout to any support or resistance. So if we are currently going up and we see a symmetrical triangle pattern, we will continue going up. And if we are going down, we will see this symmetrical triangle pattern and continue to go down. So what do we see in this case of Bitcoin? We can see we currently saw a reversal from here. So around the December 30th, we saw a reversal and we were going up. So we can see this pattern forming right here that we were going up, and then we saw this symmetrical triangle. And then what could we expect from this symmetrical triangle? So as this triangle is going on, we can see that it's gotten very close to the end, and we can see it's about to break out. So very most likely it will break out to the positive side. So why can we see that? Because we can already see this has been coming from an upwards trend. So we saw the price was increasing, and then we saw a symmetrical triangle, and then we saw this is about to break out. So we can most likely see this breakout to the positive side. Now what could the price target be of this breakout? So let's take a line tool. So let's take a quick line tool and draw this vertical line right here in the beginning of this triangle. So let's change the color of this to possibly white and increase the thickness. So as we can see, we have drew this line right here from the beginning of this triangle. So if we see a breakout to the top, so to the positive side, we can possibly see, let me just zoom out real quick, we could possibly see prices up to 47k. So we could possibly hit this target after we see this breakout. Now it's not going to be very quick and it wouldn't reach this in just a couple hours. It would take time. So realistically the graph should look like this if we are to see something like this, and this is what the graph should look like. But in the other case, if we see a breakout to the bottom side, so if I move this right here, we could possibly see prices hit up to 40k. So 40,000 is our next resistance if we see that the price has broken down to the bottom side. So this is our second scenario if the prices goes down. So these are the two likely scenarios. Let me just duplicate this. So we have drawn two lines. So if we break out to the positive side, we can see that we can hit prices up to 47k. And if we break out to the bottom side, we can see prices as low as 40k. So these are the two likely scenarios that we'll see. So most likely this symmetrical triangle is heading to the positive side, since this was happening during an uptrend and we saw this during an uptrend. So most likely this is the scenario we'll see, and we'll see a breakout to above 47k, and we are hoping that we see such a breakout. So that's about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how Bitcoin is forming a symmetrical triangle and how this symmetrical triangle will help lead Bitcoin to its new prices. So we can possibly see prices as high as 47k, or if in the other case we break out to the lower side, we may see prices as low as 40k. So these are my two price predictions that we can possibly see in Bitcoin very soon. Now this won't be immediate and we won't see this prices in just a couple hours. We have to wait a couple of days to see these prices take effect. But this is our possible price prediction because in this symmetrical triangle, this was formed during an uptrend, and as we know the rule of symmetrical triangle, if it's formed during an uptrend, the breakout will happen to the upside. So we will see most likely positive prices. Our price target would be 47k, and we have to wait and see if this breakout is confirmed and if we are to see some positive prices. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and also drop a comment down below of what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also I do daily crypto live streams on this channel, so stay tuned for that. I talk about any recent price changes in crypto and any recent news in crypto that might be helpful in order for us to decide whether we want to trade this coin or not. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.